Now it's time to show your talent, not mine. Don't worry, I'm not going to call you on stage. You just need to laugh and clap your hands even though you did not understand my jokes. Is that fine? Okay. So how many of you updated your social media status? Attending my favorite stand-up comedian show, hashtag Sandeep we love you, hashtag OpenText, hashtag Josh. If you are not done, you can do it later. Well, you've been a very nice audience, I should say. I was thinking you girls are going to be in tears and girls are going to shout, Sandeep, we love you and all. And you'll be fighting with each other for selfies. But, well, you must be thinking this guy is daydreaming or not. Right? Well, you should always dream big. You should always keep your expectation very high, like your manager. You must have seen in your recent goal settings, right? Well, with a dream I remember, I wanted to become an entrepreneur. And I wanted to take my company from popcorn to the unicorn level. And go beyond, like this. And we have developed one excellent mobile product, which is similar to GoKhana. Its name is Kam Khana. It has got both English as well as Hindi meaning. And it has got very unique feature. You don't have to wait for Monday to book your food app. I know some of you downloaded one more reminder app to book your food on Monday. Right? And these days, you know, we are facing a lot of building problems. It has got intelligent feature. It will select the building where your manager is not going for lunch. Hope you understood why. And one more problem is when you are going for taking the food, you have to take your mobile. But in the Kam Khana app, you don't have to take your mobile. You just have to scan your fingerprints. You can take the food. And it is AI and generative AI enabled. It has got very artificial intelligence features. If you are a diabetic or overweight like me, it will not allow you to take sweets and ice cream. Plus Faluda, colorful Faluda. And if you got your lunch box, especially to impress your wife, and still taking the food, it will say first finish your lunch box, then take the lunch. Moreover, if you waste the food, it will deduct from your salary. And on a serious note, I just request you not to waste the food. Well, this is an excellent feature, but it could not succeed. You know why? Any idea what is the success factor for startup? Anybody? Yes. No, I had all this, but the biggest problem is garage. In Bangalore, you get office space as well as co-working space like this WeWork, but getting garage is very difficult. Like this Amazon and Apple, I was extremely micro-focused on getting the garage, and I tried all my business network to get the garage. See, I did marketing for OpenText as well. Well, I could not succeed. If I had got the garage by the time, I would have been in Shark Tank, and you would be using Kam Khana app, right? Well, one more success factor, you know, for the startup, any idea? Well, getting the college dropouts. So I started interviewing many college dropouts. You know, these millennials and Generation Z people, they need more internet than oxygen to survive. And they have already totally dependent on Google and ChatGPT. They ask ChatGPT, does Priya likes me or not? ChatGPT replies, Priya is already in love with Vivek. You better manage with Alexa and Siri. And this Generation Z, anybody is from Generation Z here? Okay, no problem. But Generation Z, I happen to take the interview for the Generation Z people. When I ask him, how are you? He is telling, check my Twitter status. When I ask him, tell me about yourself, he is telling, check my YouTube channel. On top of that, he is telling, like, subscribe and share. And when I asked him, you have any questions? He said, do you provide on-site opportunities? Well, being a fresher, he is asking for on-site opportunities. I was surprised. I said, yes, we do provide on-site opportunities. once in a week, and he was very happy. I said, we have office in Vijayanagar, and our client is in ITPL. You can take the BMTC Airlines, and there is a stopover at Silkboard Junction. You can get down, have the food, and your food will be reimbursed. And if you manage to wear ladies' dress, your ticket is also free. You know, we Karnataka, we believe in all freebies, and we believe in women empowerment and men harassment. No wonder we are sticking to the moonlighting. Well, with the on-site, I do remember, I was desperate to go to on-site once upon a time, not to see the US or earn dollars. The reason, let me tell you the story. I was working in a small company, I was a developer, and my girlfriend was a tester. So the project was smooth. Hope you understood. and we were discussing bugs in Coffee Day. And we had a team lead who always used to go on site to collect the requirement. And instead of collecting the requirement, he used to get kisses for my girlfriend. Kisses means kisses chocolates. Yeah, that's more than sure. How many of you like kisses? I said kisses, not chocolates. Well, that day I decided I'll be going to the on-site. I went to this Chennai consulate more than the Tirupati visit. And those visa officers are like our Bangalore auto drivers. They don't give any damn reason why they have rejected the visa. And once upon a time, once the visa officer asked me, Tamil Terima. I said, Tamil is not my ma, Kannada is mama, please give me visa. Later I came to know that he's also learned Telugu after staying in Chennai for so many years, Tamil for so many years. Well, these are my dreams, and in my second part I would be explaining more about the leadership dreams. Anybody is from leadership team here? Director or VP? Obviously they are in less in numbers. People are watching talent show and they are taking escalations call for your talent. No, sorry, did I say escalation? It's appreciation. Okay, that's my time. I'll not take more time. I have a long story to tell, but you will miss the cap. So thank you very much.